So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're missing some cards or some tickets or something like that inside of Samsung Wallet. Now, the first thing to keep in mind is that your Samsung Wallet application will only house tickets and cards that you add inside of the wallet. Sometimes they can intelligently add things from, outside of it, but the first thing you want to do is make sure that your particular, whatever you have, your tickets, your cards, whatever you're looking for, you want to make sure they're added correctly into your wallet. So go through, you can make your way over into that email if it's a plane ticket or a card, or if you have a credit card, make sure you've inputted that information properly inside of your particular Samsung Wallet application. That is the easiest way to fix this problem. Most of the time people run into this type of issue. It's usually something to do with that. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you can try doing is to try updating your phone. So you can try making your way over into your settings application. So hop right into settings and then go through, and you want to scroll down until you find software update. Tap on the software update panel and then go through and download and install the latest update available for your phone. So tap on here and then go through and install the download. And that right there can also end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. And that is another example of something you can try doing as well. And if that's still not working, you might be able to try restarting your phone. So hold down the power button on the side of your phone, click on restart, and you want to see if you can restart your device. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.